Hello music enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of the accordion, a diatonic accordion with 31 keys and 12 bass buttons tuned in the keys of adults, beginners, and E players. This accordion boasts premium sound quality thanks to its high-quality reeds, delivering a rich and powerful tone suitable for a variety of musical styles. Whether you're a seasoned musician or just starting out, this instrument is designed for ease of play, helping you develop musical talent, improve rhythm, and enhance your overall skills. Its multifunctionality allows you to explore different genres, making it a versatile choice for creating unique melodies, and it even makes a thoughtful gift for music lovers. The accordion comes with a durable, well-padded carrying case for safe transportation, and features like a celluloid fingerboard and adjustable bass strap ensure comfort and ease of use. Special noise suppression technology reduces unwanted sounds, allowing you to focus on playing quality music. As a product from a trusted Amazon seller, this accordion is crafted and tested to meet high standards, ensuring it exceeds your musical needs and expectations. And if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.